student, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today our amazing assignment is chapter 2, the 4 operations from textbook page number 51 to 56. From that exercise 2.6. Coming to first one, find the quotient and the remainder, then verify your answer. First you have to find the quotient, then after you have to verify the answer also. Coming to first one, 4,04,092 divided by 11. So here we are doing the long division method. So what is the given number? What is the given dividend? 4,04,092 is divided by 11. Is divided by 11. So while doing long division method, we have to find the sum steps. We have to first find and follow the sum steps. What we have to follow the steps? We have to identify the sum. Identify the sum. Here how many digit number is given divisor and dividend, and then we have to multiply, then we have to subtract, okay, then we have to bring down the remaining digits. Okay, first we have to identify how many number of digits are given in divisor. How many number of digits are given in divisor? That is 2 digit number. So we have to take here 2 digit. So here what is the first given 2 digit number here? 40. Already you know we have to start from leftmost place. So 40. 40 is greater than 11. So approximately how many times it will be divided 40 in 11. So how many 11s in 40? So approximately we can take 3 times. So 3 11s are 33. Now we have to subtract. First we are identify, then we multiply. Now we are subtracting. Now can we subtract 0 minus 3? No. So we have to take regrouping. This 0 will become 10 and this 4 will become 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now what we have to take? Bring down next digit. Bring down next digit. Now 74. So we have to take approximately how many times we can take? Can we take 7 times? So 7 11s are 77. But 77 is greater than 74. Now we have to below number, we have to take below number. How many times it will be? That is approximately 6 times. So 6. So 6 11s are 66. 6 11s are 66. Now we have to subtract. Can we subtract 4 minus 6? No. So again we have to regrouping. So this 4 we are taking the regrouping. This 7 we are taking 10. 110. So from here this 7 will be 6 and this 4 will be 10 plus 4 is 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8 and 6 minus 6 is 0. Now bring down next digit 0. Now 80. So again we have to think out how many times can we divide 80 by 11. Means how many 11s in 80? How many 11s in 80? So approximately we can take 8 times. But 8 11s are 88. 88 is greater than 80. So we have to take down below number 7 times. So 7 11s are 77. Now subtract 80 minus 77. Can we subtract 0 minus 7? No. Again this 0 will become 10. This 8 will become 7. 10 minus 7 is 3 and 7 minus 7 is 0. Now again I have to bring down 9. Got it children? 9. Now so here we have to take 39. We have to divide 39 by 11. So approximately how many times we can take? 3 times. 3 11s are 33. So 39 is greater than 33. So can take 3 times 33. Now subtract 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Now bring down Okay children. Now 62. How many times we can take approximately? How many 11s are there in 62? Can we take 6 times? No, because 6 11s are 66. 66 is the greater than 62. So we can take 5 times. Okay children. So 5 11s are 55. So 2 minus 5, can we subtract? No. Again we have to take the degrouping. 2 will become 12 and this 6 will become 5. 12 minus 5 is how much? 7. And 5 minus 5 is 0. Now coming to here, what did you observe? Here is there any other number? No. So here 7. 7 is smaller than the 11. So always left over the place is the remainder. This will be the remainder. Now this is the quotient. Okay children. How to verify your answer? Which one we are following the verify the division sum? We have to follow the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So verify your answer is verification. How to verify? So dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay children. So means 4,4,092 equal to, what is the divisor here? 11. What did you get the quotient here? 36,735 plus, what is the leftover place here? Leftover the answer 7. So here always first we have to multiply, then we add the remainder. 11 into 36,735 plus 7, you will get 4,04,092. Got it children? 4,04,092. Coming to next one. 3,36,948 is divided by 94. So here write the division form. 3,36,948 is divided by 94. Okay, coming to first we have to identify the numbers. So here 94, 2-digit number. Now 2-digit number I am taking. So but what did you observe here? 33. Here divisor is greater than the what we take the place. So 33 is less than the 94. Now I am go through the next number. Means 336. So how many 94s are there in 336? So approximately we can take 3 times. We can take 3 times because if you take 4 times it will be greater. So I am taking 3 times. So means 3 into 94. 3 into 94. 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27 plus 1 is 28. Now subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. Can we subtract 3 minus 8? No. So again we have to regroup. 3 will become 13 and this 3 will become 2. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay children. Now bring down 9. Bring down 9. So approximately we can take 5 times. Approximately we can take 5 times or 6 times. Suppose if I am taking 6 times. So here 94 into 6. So 6 4s are 24. 2. 6 9s are 54 plus 2 is So, but what we have here 549. This number will be greater than this number. So, we can take 5 times only. Now, 5 fours are 22. 5 nines are how much? 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. Now subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 7, can we subtract? No. Again we have to regroup it. From here, this 4 will become 14. And this 5 will become 4. 14 minus 7 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 79. Now bring down next number 4. Next number 4. 794. So how many times we can take approximately? Can we take 9 times? No, 9 nines. So just 9 nines we have to think of 81. Now we cannot take, it will be greater. So can we take 8 times? Okay. So 94 into 8. 8 fours are how much? 8 fours are 32. 3 and 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 3 is 75. So it will be less than this number. We can take how many times? 8 times. 8 94s are 752. So now subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now bring down next digit 8. Next digit 8. How many times we can take approximately? We can take 4 times. Just mental math we have to calculate and thinking 4 times it will be go. So 4 fours are 16. 1. 4 nines are 36 plus 1 how much? 36 plus 1. 37. Now subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. Can we subtract 2 minus 7? No. So again we have to regroup it. 2 will become 12. This 4 will become 3. 12 minus 7 is 5. And 4 already changed as 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. So 52 is smaller than the 94. So it is leftover part. It is nothing but a remainder. It will be the remainder. This will be the quotient and this will be the divisor. This is the dividend. Now how to verify your answer with division sum? That is nothing but dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here I am doing dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the given dividend? Dividend as 3,36,948. So divisor is 94 into 3,584 plus 52. Okay. So while doing here, first we have to multiply, then only we have to subtract. 94 into 3,584 plus 52, you will get 3,36,948. Got it, children? Coming to next one. 5,94,206 is divided by 872. Here 3 digit number we have to divide it. Okay. So here what is the given number? Given dividend 5,94,206 is divided by 872. Got it, children? Here 3 digit number. So first what we have to do? What is the step of first one? Identify the numbers. So here 872. Here we are taking, if you are taking 594. So it will be smaller than this number. So what we have to do? We have to go through the next digit. So means 5,942. How many? 872 2's are there in 5942. So we have to think, we have to divide approximately. How many times can we take? Can we take 7 times? Okay. So multiply 872 into 7. 7 2's are 14. 1. 7 7's are 49 plus 1. 55. And 7 8's are 56 plus 8. 56 plus 5 is 61. So it will be greater than the 5942. So how many times we can take? We can take 6 times. So 872 into 6. 6 2's are how many times? 6 2's are how much? 12. 1. 6 7's are 42 plus 1. 43. 4. 6 8's are 48 plus 4 is 52. Now, how many times we can take? 6 times. Okay, where we have to write this number here. Okay, so 6 times 5232. We have to subtract. What is the next step? We have to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring down next digit. Bring down next digit. Means 7100. 7100. So here, how many 872's are in 7100? So think out how many times we can take approximately. How many times we can take? Can we take 8 times? So if you are taking 8 times, first you multiply 872 into 8. So 8 2's are 16. 1. 8 7's are how much? 8 7's are 56 plus 1 57. 5. 8 8's are 64 plus 64 plus 5 is 69. So you can take 8 times. 8. 6976. Subtract this 0 will become 10 and this 0 will become 9. This will become 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. Can we take 0 minus 9? Again we have to subtract here. This will become 6. This will become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down next number 6. Bring down next number 6. 1246. 1246. So how many times we can take approximately? Can we take 2 times? 2 8's are 16. It will become more. So just I am taking 1 time. 872 is 872 minus, we have to subtract 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 will become 14 because we cannot subtract 4 minus 7. So we are regrouping from before the number, means this number leftmost place. So 4 will become 14. This 2 will become 1. So 14 minus 7 is 7. And can we subtract 1 minus 8? No, children. Again we have to regrouping. So this will become 11. This 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. So 1 already we got a 0 here. So 374 is the remainder. And this is the quotient. And this is the divisor. This will be the dividend. So again we have to verify the answer. How to verify? Verification. Again, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, children. So what is the dividend here? 5 lakh. 1 minute. 5 lakh 94,206 equal to, what is the divisor? 872 into quotient 681 plus 374. So first we have to multiply 872 into 681. Then we have to add 374. You will get 5,94,206. Got it, children? Can you practice again these numbers? Coming to next one, fill in the blanks. Here two blanks are given. Based on the division, we have to do it. So coming to 5,290 divided by dash equal to 529. So we have to find this one. What we have to find here? Divisor. We have to find the divisor. So here, how you will get the divisor? So if you divide this number to this number also, you will get the divisor. Okay, children? So means here 5,290 is divided by 529. So one time we can take 529, you will get subtract 0. Now we have the 0 here, we have to bring down 0. Means we have to write here 0. So how many times? If you are dividing 5,290, you will get the quotient as the 529. It will be 10 times. It will be 10 times. Got it, children? It will be 10 times. Coming to next one. 91,526 is divided by 91,526. So here dividend and divisor are same numbers, and number divided by with same number, what did you get? 1 as the quotient. 1 as the quotient. The answer is 1. Okay. Coming to next one. Find the quotient and the remainder. So here we are doing with 10, 100. So ending with zeros. Coming to here, 3,72,632 is divided by 10. So how many zeros are there here? Only one zero. So one place we have to remove remaining numbers, we will get quotient, and what we remove that number as the remainder. So here 3,72,632 is divided by 10 equal to, you will get quotient as 37,263 and remainder as 2. Okay, children, while doing with zeros, means ending with zeros, what did you get? So how many zeros are there? Here we have 1 0. One place will come as the remainder, remaining places will be as the quotient. Okay, coming to here 100, we are dividing with 100. So here in 100 we have 2. We have 2 zeros. So means 2 places from right. 2 places from right will get the remainder. Remaining places will be the quotient. So here what is the given number? 9,21,500 is divided by 100. What is the 2 places we have to remove here? These 2 places. Remaining digits will be the quotient. Means 9,215 as the quotient. Here zeros. 2 zeros means 1 0 we can write 0 as the remainder. Got it, children? Coming to next one. Solve the following word problem. Our driver travelled a total of 66,185 kilometers in 271 days. How many kilometers does he travel in a day if he travels the same distance every day? Okay, children. How much total distance he travelled? The total distance is 66,185 kilometers. Okay, And how many days? Number of days is 271. Okay, and you have to notice one thing here. He traveled same distance every day. He have to travel same distance in every day. But what we have to find here? We have to find how much distance traveled in one day. Okay, for that we have to distance traveled in one day equal to, what we have to do? We have to divide the given number, given kilometers, given distance divided by number of days. 66,185 is divided by 271. Okay children, now we have to divide 66,185 is divided by 271. Here 3-digit number is given in divisor. Means we have to take the 3-digit number here. So here 661 is greater than the 271. So you have to think out how many times we can divide approximately. So can we take 3 times? Once, check out. 271 into 3 as 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, 2, 3 twos are 6 plus 2 is 8. 813. So it will be greater than this number. So we have to take 2 times. 271 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14. 1. And 2 twos are 4 plus 1. 5. So we have to take how many times? 2 times. We have to write here. Okay children. 542. We have to subtract 542. So can we subtract 1 minus 2? No. Here we have to regroup it. 1 will become 11. This 6 will become 5. So 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is how much? How much 11 minus 2 is? Is 9. Next 5 minus 4 is 1 and 6 minus 5 is 1. Now bring down 8. Bring down 8. So 1198 divided by 271 means how many 271s are there? 1198. So can we take approximately 5 times? So means you have to multiply 271 into 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are how much? 35. 5 here, 3 here. 5 twos are 10 plus 3 is 13. So it will become greater. 1355 is greater than this number. We cannot subtract. So we have to take approximately 4 times. We have to take approximately 4 times. So 4 ones are 4. 4 sevens are 28. 2. 4 twos are 8 plus 2 is 10. Subtract now. 8 minus 4 is how much? 8 minus 4 is 4. And 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down the number 5. So again how many times we can take approximately? Can we take 5 times? No. Because 5 times it will be greater than this number. So we can take again 4 times, approximately 4 times. So 4 times of 271 is 1084. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Can we subtract 4 minus 8? No. So 4 will become 14. We are regrouping it. So 4 will become 14. This one will become 0. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. So, can we take any other number? Can we have to take the bring down? No. We are not having 61. So, So 61 is smaller than the 271. So approximately he travelled 244 kilometers. Approximately he travelled 244 kilometers per day. Understand, children? Did you get it? Once again, practice is all sums. Thank you, children.